Hello, this is another question in the life cycle of plants. As can see, this person performs an experiment on germination using the apparatus shown below. So you have a container X on the left, boiled water cooled to room temperature. So it's best that the students learn to annotate by highlighting it or by drawing with certain colors to highlight the attention. And then in container Y, it's tap water. So another color to highlight this tap water. So one is boiled water, one is tap water, and then both of them are being covered by a layer of oil. So he places 3 string bean seeds in each container. After 2 days, he notices that the seeds in container Y germinate. So we can put a tick here. Whereas those in container X do not germinate. So we understand that germination, they need 3 conditions, which are the WOW factor. So the first W is warm. So both have warm. Next, oxygen. Okay, one of them, oxygen is absent. Why? Because when you boil the water, the air has escaped. So this air includes oxygen. So that is the reason why the seeds in container X do not germinate. So now let's explain or gives answers to part A. Give an explanation to Nasri's observation. So the answer is the water in container X has been boiled. All the dissolved air has been driven out, so the string bean seeds cannot germinate. And next, this is the higher order thinking skill part B. What is the purpose of the layer of oil? What do you think is the reason? Okay, because in the surrounding, there's also air, right? So what do you think that this layer of oil does? So the answer, which I'm going to review very soon, will be the layer of oil is to prevent air in the surrounding from being dissolved in the water. Because if without the layer of oil, eventually the air from the surrounding will be able to dissolve in container X. Because initially the water in container X does not contain any air. That's why the seed cannot germinate, because without oxygen, it cannot germinate. So that's the purpose for the layer of oil, is to prevent air in the surrounding from being dissolved in the water. So once again, I highly encourage you to purchase CASCO publication, where I'm doing the editing now. And those of you who view this video later with the QR code added here will be able to review these questions as I go through with you. So once again, I encourage you to buy all the copies of CASCO from P3, P4, and P5, as well as P6, to review all these very interesting questions or higher order thinking skill. So once again, I am Mr. Howard Yu, sending my greetings to every one of you. Cheers.